Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to reassemble a PC using only the main parts and essential tools. This process is helpful when cleaning, upgrading, or fixing your computer. Let's get started. Tools needed: a Phillips screwdriver, main parts to reassemble: motherboard, CPU, CPU cooler, RAM, SSD or HDD, power supply unit. Step 1. Mount the motherboard. Place the motherboard into the case carefully and line it up with the screws in the exact place. Make sure the I/O shield is already in place at the back. Step 2. Install the CPU and cooler. Lift the CPU socket lever. Align the CPU using the gold triangle and gently place it in and lock it with the lever. Add thermal paste if needed. Then install the CPU cooler and connect its fan cable to the CPU fan header on the motherboard. Step 3. Insert the RAM. Open the RAM slot. Align the RAM stick and press down firmly until it clicks. Repeat if you have more sticks. Step 4. Mount your SSD or HDD in the drive bay or M2 slot. Screw it in if needed, and connect the power and data cables to the motherboard and PSU. Step 5. Install the power supply. Place the PSU into the case. Usually it's at the bottom. Screw it in and then connect its cables to the motherboard, CPU, and storage. Step 6. This is optional, but you can install a graphics card. If you have a GPU, insert it to the PCIe slot. Screw it in to place and connect the PSU power cables. So the final step is cable management. So you need to clean your cables for airflow, reconnect case cables like power button and USB. Once everything is plugged in, you can turn on the PC, and if everything is good, the screen will light up. So that's how you reassemble the PC using just the main parts with a screwdriver. It's simple if you take it step by step.